Welcome to KTA Diamond Rewards. Here's how to clip and use Diamond Rewards coupons. Before your visit, view offers and coupons at ktasuperstores.com/rewards. Click on Coupons and Offers. Log into your Diamond Rewards account with a phone number and follow verification steps via text or call. Available coupons and offers will be displayed. To see more details, including the coupon expiration date, click the upper right-hand corner of each coupon. Clip coupons by clicking on the scissors icon on the bottom right. Clipped coupons will be saved below current offers. Coupons will be automatically applied at checkout. How to use KTA Diamond Rewards coupons in stores. At the register, sign in on the KTA Diamond Rewards terminal with your phone number and click OK. Want a digital receipt as well as a printed receipt? A selection of available coupons will be displayed. See a coupon you'd like to use? Click the Use Now button. When you purchase an item for a pre-clipped coupon, a sound will play and display your savings. Press OK. Forgot to clip a coupon? No problem. When you purchase the item, an alert will sound and display a message asking if you'd like to use this coupon now. Click the Save Now button. Upon completing checking out, your available KTA Diamonds points will be reflected on your KTA Diamond Rewards account. Your coupon savings will be displayed on the Diamond Rewards terminal.